Welcome back to NTX Auto. What if Toyota transformed the Fortuner into the ultimate GR Sport SUV? Meet the 2027 Toyota Fortuner GR Sport, a concept that combines aggressive design, premium luxury, and V8 performance into one unforgettable package. The first thing that grabs your attention is the front end. A massive black honeycomb grille, sharp full LED headlights, functional hood scoops, and bold GR Sport details create an unmistakable presence. Every line looks sharper, wider, and more purposeful than the Fortuner we've known before. But the real surprise is hiding underneath. Lift the hood, and this concept reveals a powerful V8 engine, delivering the kind of performance usually reserved for high-performance SUVs. Instant throttle response, a deep exhaust note, and confident acceleration completely changed the Fortuner's personality while maintaining Toyota's legendary durability. From the side, oversized black alloy wheels, low-profile performance tires, sculpted side skirts, and widened fenders give this SUV a planted, athletic stance. Around the back, quad exhaust outlets, an aggressive rear diffuser, and redesigned LED taillights finish the look with unmistakable GR Sport character. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin features premium black leather seats with red contrast stitching, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a large vertical touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and premium finishes create a cockpit that feels every bit as modern as the exterior. And there's more. Advanced driver assistance systems, multiple drive modes, a premium sound system, and a refined suspension setup make this concept equally comfortable on city streets and long highway journeys, while remaining ready for challenging terrain whenever adventure calls. If Toyota ever turned this vision into reality, the 2027 Fortuner GR Sport could become one of the most exciting performance SUVs in its class, blending everyday practicality with bold styling and serious power. Now the question is yours. Would you choose this V8-powered 2027 Toyota Fortuner GR Sport over the Land Cruiser, Ford Everest, or even the Range Rover? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to NTX Auto for more next-generation concept vehicles.